Okay, so I got this code because it doesn't save the thing properly on on this on the database for some reason. So I do have the env keys right now. So pretty much, yeah, I have Airtable API key. I don't have the API key. No, I don't. Okay. I have the base ID, I have the table name, I have the webhook URL. I do have it, yes. I do not have this one though. So let me go grab that real quick. So I gotta go on Airtable. And that's probably why it was not working. And once that is grabbed, I can probably get this properly working. I just need to make sure everything is properly working here. I just gotta grab the API key. So I'm going to grab API key. I need to grab that real quick. Where can I grab that from? Okay, so I need to grab the API key. Quick. Okay, where do I need to go to? API key. Okay, so now let's log in real quick. Cool. Okay, so we have this. Look at the URL, base ID. Yeah, I mean, if it says base ID, that should be part of, okay, so it says app something. Pretty sure it's this, isn't it? Starts with app and is a combination of letters. Alright, so it's basically this, right? So API key. Okay, Airtable / account. Okay, I'm here. API. Where's API? Okay, right here. Generate API key. Okay. Let's click on this. Generate API key. And okay, alright, cool. So I'm going to, in fact, grab this the other. Generate API key. If you haven't created one, if you're already have this, don't I? Yeah, I already do have this. I don't really need to grab this again. Okay, this is technically my access token, as it calls itself. I'm going to replace that with the API key. And that should be working now. Okay, so now that I've saved that, this should be working properly, right? Alright. So let me sign in real quick. Cool. So now I'm gonna make sure this is working properly. What's this? Oh, that's fine. Send a message. And that should be saved. Oh, what the fuck? Are you fucking serious? Okay. Cool. Send a message. Alright, so this is a... Why is this problem happening? I mean, it's pretty much sending a post request. What if I use Axios instead? I think if I use Axios instead, that would be easier. Contact. I'm just gonna be like, use Axios instead. Axios instead. It's gonna be much easier. Alright. Okay, so now cool. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm going to copy this and paste it right here. And I will install Axios. Cool. Alright. So now let's go back to this one. And okay, I've installed it. So I'm pretty sure we should be fine. Okay, so we have the Airtable responses. So it should pretty much save the data on the Airtable. But it's linking to a different database. I don't know what's wrong with it. Right? So I'm using... Let's use this one. I don't know what's up with it, but as far as I'm concerned, it's using a different... Yeah, I'm just gonna probably just like fucking save whatever. And just give it whatever. And just try sending. Oh, fuck. Dude, please. For fuck's sake, man. Please, just work. Come on. It's giving me an authentication problem. I'm pretty sure I gave it all the details, but for some reason... What? Data. Oh, okay, so it's basically destructuring, whatever. It's, okay. Authentication key required. API key. Help me, please. Base ID, table name, that's fine. Webhook URL, I have that too. Yeah, should be fine. Are you missing something here? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think we're missing anything here. Seems to be a problem. Okay, so anyways, when we submit this, I should get this fucking problem solved, right? As soon as possible. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is use... So you can use this and boom, you can just send it. I'm pretty sure that should be fine. Okay, so if I use the webhook URL, I should be able to directly send it, I'm pretty sure. So I will do this, and I will pretty much send this, okay? So we'll be like use server. Use server. Cool. Awesome, so now let's submit this. Please work. Okay, boom. Thank you very much, sir. So now let's go to this. Do we have 3 records? I don't think it's part of this. It's a different database. I don't know where it's saved. Right? So I'm pretty sure it's like, it should be this one. But for some reason, like, I don't know where it saves, right? Like, I know for a fact that it should be... Okay, so estate is part of... Okay, I gotta go to my connections and fix something here. There's a bit of a problem here. As far as I'm concerned, Twilio. So Twilio, this is the phone number. Okay, the responses. So let's say message service. And what did I use on Zapier? Zapier. I'm pretty sure it was something similar, right? This one is for fuck's sake. Client ID. There was this one. Alright. Authorizing. Cool. Interesting. Oh, for fuck's sake, man. Okay, so it should pretty much, where was the other one? Get this working somehow. Okay, so everything seems to be fine on this. So this needs to be connected over here. For some reason I can't access this. How can I Veloxify? I can't access this one. Where the fuck is Veloxify coming from? Oh my god, I can't. Okay, let me delete this. That's fine. I'm just gonna add the connection again. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is pretty much connect Airtable again. So I will. Okay. So I'm just gonna. No. The fuck? Oh, for God's sake. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm going to. Pretty much what I'm gonna do here is probably create this scenario. Airtable. Watch responses. Yeah, but oh my god, I can't with this. That's fucking annoying. Okay, so let's pretty much. I have no idea where this saves. I have no idea where this saves. You know what? I have an idea. Let me create this on a different browser. That's gonna be easier. Cool. Login. Sign in with I'm Veloxold. I'm gonna rebuild this. Alright. Okay, create a new scenario. Okay, so now let's select Airtable. Watch responses. Now it's going to, yeah, there we go. Let's call this clients and save. So now let's copy this and let's save this data onto clients, this one. So now it should save there, which is part of, what is it part of? I think, I don't know where this saves though, that's the problem. Okay, so, but as far as, okay, but what about, I'm so confused. Okay, so as if I can get this to sort of display where it's saving to, at least. Yeah, but like, what about create a record? Exactly. So now this is, see, this is how it should work, isn't it? Wait. There we go. Oh, what? All right, let me give me a second, guys. env.local. All right, let me use the walk and please work. Are you serious? 401? Bro, I just got that fucking key. I just got that fucking key, bro. Please. Oh, for God's sake. Please work. It doesn't work. Okay, great. Why is it not working? API keys are depreciate by the end of just. That's annoying as fuck. Okay, so what if I okay, in that case I have the webhook URL. So I'm gonna ask GPT actually. It's gonna be like I have the webhook URL. What do I this is my webhook table webhook. How can I access the table? Let's connect with it. Already have this. Okay, webhook. Alright, let me try creating a webhooks. Custom webhook. Create a webhook. Cool. Bro. Alright. This is annoying as fuck. Alright, so I need to create the webhook and sort of have the webhook module. Select or create a custom webhook and it should generate a URL like the one you shared. Right. Copy this webhook URL, save it for your Airtable module in make.com. An Airtable module after the webhook. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so basically it will send the data, but okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to make it send an email for now, right? So I'm going to make it send message service. It's no message service. Let me just get rid of this for now. Cool. So now let's run this. Let's click this button. I gotta save something. Use new data. It's existing data. Okay, I'm gonna make Gmail instead. So if I'll connect, I'll use like Gmail. I'll use Discord actually. Send a message. Create a connection. Boom. Cool. Alright. So now I will send this to probably which server do I should send it to? Dropshipping. And let's authorize. Cool. Let's give it some time. And once it sends this message, in a few seconds. Okay, so it's authorizing. Let's select dropshipping. Boom. Authorized. Okay, cool. Now let's give some time. And let's send a message. Send a DM. I'll send it to a certain username. Actually, no, I'll just send a message for now. It's easier. So I'll send it to walls, and I will send the message from the Airtable. So fuck testing automated response. I've done this before, so it's not really that hard. Okay. So now when this gets a response, right? Okay, so over here, right, I have saved this. So when this gets a response, no. Okay. Scenario contains error. What's the problem? Where's the problem? Okay. Okay, that's a Twilio problem. That's fine. I don't have Twilio anywhere here, so that's okay. We save this and then we run this immediately as data arrives. So I will save some data to this URL right here because that's this one right here. So let me just call it I just put it on the ANV so it's easier. Yeah, we can just call it here. Right. Boom. I don't give a shit. Process.env dot and just like that. Okay. Cool. So now we will go back and we will say testing something number, and I will send some data, and that should be submit just like that. So now if it's working properly, it should send a message to this walls, which is a part of dropshipping. So automated response, this is not being sent properly. Because I'm not really seeing anything here. Because if I did this separately, right? If I did this like separately, and I did this code send message. Call it testing the different scenario. Let's call it that, so it's fine. I'll do this module. Okay, and then boom. Okay. See? So this works. If I do this, just this module, oops. If I just do this, see, testing automated response, that's basically this. But then this does not save. That's a problem, right? So if I save this and run this immediately as this gets some data, it should do that, okay? It should do that. Send the message, it saved. So do we see a response? Do we? I'm going to say something like, hello kitty, I'm so different. Alright, oh fuck, my bad. Sorry, kind of cringe. Cool. So now I will have this turned on and I will submit another form. Let me check. Boom. Okay, we got it. So now I just need to make sure the data that comes here is properly sent. Okay. So this sent data needs to be, so I should destructure whatever that comes from here. So interesting. What if I make it in a way that it also submits to, what if I make it in a way that it submits to two different things, right? So when it gets a response, it will also submit to another thing, right? Tell me how I can make it submit to the DB. and another thing that also receives the new record, but then until it temporarily and lets me transfer the data to someone. Airtable responses are showing nothing. Yeah, so because this, right? This is like earlier, it was showing nothing. You know what I mean? This is, see, it says this, but then it was showing nothing earlier. Webhook module. Yeah, so submit the data to the Airtable. So I have this, that's fine. Create record and the Airtable module. Yeah, so I sent it to make.com and then create a record. Well, I'm supposed to, okay, create a record. Let's try doing this as well. I'll use token key. Now I'll use auth. That's easier. Open authentication. Just click the button and boom, we should be fine. Please work. Thank you. Oh, this is so much easier. Thank you very much, clients. Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. All right. So now, okay, so the base is clients, of course. That's this one. And table clients, obviously. And that needs to be received. Watch responses. Oh wait, watch responses doesn't directly receive anything, does it? Yeah, so this should directly receive it, isn't it? I'll just do like test for now. What? Cool, happy? Alright. Okay. Cool. Okay. So when this is triggered, this should do that. And it should send the Discord message. Okay. I can get rid of these. Okay, so now let's try running this, right? Let's try running this. Okay, so we should receive something. Third row. And I refresh this. Should be there. Boom. That's basically what I told it to send from here. This. But this needs to be received in a nicer manner. Right? What if I can use something like Firebase Firestore? Watch new documents. Create a connection. I will use Google. Bro, beast. Oh my god. Okay, I will go back to law test. Now we'll use a firebase.js. I will give it client ID. Client ID and client secret. Right. So this is asking for something else. So I will pretty much. Oh my god, this is annoying. Okay, so I will select. What are the other databases that I can use? MongoDB? Bro, this is annoying. Postgres? What about Postgres? No. I need something that sort of takes care of this. Oh. What are some stuff? Make .com tools that I can send some temporary data to, and we'll hold it for a bit. Data store's like okay. Data store. Alright, so let's click on type in this is annoying. Data store. Cool. Okay, so it should save to this. And when it saves responses, I will trigger. Okay, so it should save. So when it saves responses. Okay, so this is just watching for responses, right? So when it saves responses, it must trigger new client. Right? So this must be triggered when it saves responses. Okay. So I'm gonna create a server, and I'm gonna create a server and just be like, where's call it? Okay, so I will create a server. Where's the plus button for a server? Where? Oh my god, there's so many servers. Okay, there we go. Bro, are you serious? Tell you what, let me just, yeah, let me just delete. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete, like, leave this one. And I'm going to create a server. Probably. What? This is ridiculous. Okay, so I can't do that. Okay, so I'm gonna call it new client, and so it should store the so this just makes sure like there's a notification sent whenever there's a new client. And yeah, so I'll give GPT the requirement. So I need to save the data from my application, doesn't matter what is. Then that saved data, which is structured in a certain way, must be sent to the real estate owner in a structured manner through WhatsApp. Send a structured, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I can probably send it directly through code. Indeed. Yeah. So I can probably send this directly through code. So so I'm gonna give it to Claude and be like, make this send a message through Twilio to my real estate client. Add to this the functionality to send a message through Twilio to my real estate client, and I will probably look for okay, so this is Twilio, so you send a message, obviously, and yeah, this is fine. So I will send this. I must cool. I have okay, I need to get these. Okay, cool. So it saves the data and it will install on Twilio as well. Okay. Process.env.env.local. Twilio, okay. Twilio's fine. And cool. Okay, so now I will go back to route.js and I will save this. So I think Twilio is installed. I'm not too sure though. Twilio. No, I don't think it's installed. I'm going to grab this and I will do. That should install it. Okay. So I have the env keys and stuff. I need to get those. So essentially, this will send the message to from number to client's phone number. So needs to be direct sent. Video number to client phone number. Okay. So yeah, so this is the URL. This is the data that's gonna be saved. Save this on a database. I'm going to probably save this. Okay. Let me think. Yeah, so I think I'll use Firebase for this. Use Firestore for this instead. I'm gonna just use a code directly. So what I'm doing here is whenever there's a whenever the cool. Okay. So I will probably okay, so this is I'm just gonna call it clients. So once this has saved the data, it will pretty much send the data, right? And once it sends the data, it will yeah, so this I need to save these. But once this does this, right? I'm gonna use it for like one of my test projects. And copy and paste this here. Cool. So I'm going to save this like this, and I will install Firebase. And yeah, so I need to give this as privacy rules. Okay, so over here, right? What I need to do now is pretty much save the data to Firestore, and so this is the request body. So it's saving on Firebase as well, right? So it will save the data, and yeah, it will pretty much show the client. Yeah, on the client side should be fine. Let's test this out. Firebase something. I'm Veloxo. Send the message. Okay, seems like we have a Firebase problem. Fuck. Okay. Seems like we have a Firebase problem. Firebase/app. Firebase/app. That's a thing, right? Initialize. It should be a thing. Boom. Okay. All right. So now let me check the Firebase console. And that should save that data. And boom, it's saved. I'm pretty sure it's saved. Where was law test? Law test, I think it's here. Firebase console. Okay, so once we have this saved, I'm gonna change this, of course. Not stupid enough to give the same config. But where is law test? That's annoying. Let me try mass. Oh, it's brought up problems, I think. Problems. See, build Firestore database. I'm pretty sure it's part of problems. Should be part of problems. I don't know. Clients, okay. There we go. Wait, no, this is not. Was this what I sent? No, it wasn't what I sent, was it? Gonna try. Okay, let's see if that's received. It is. Okay, cool. So now that I have the data here, right? I just need to make sure that it sends the message to my my friend, right? So we need to save the data and implement the code to send the video message to Zap. I did that, or use Zapier or whatever to send. That's the most cost efficient, but it needs to read the recent database. It needs to send the client details in a structured manner to my real estate. Okay. Yeah, so this is a Zapier webhook, okay. Interesting. So yeah, pretty much. Cool. Okay, so we will pretty much send the Zapier so through Zapier. Let's send it through Zapier, right? Yeah, so it's sending through. This is saving to Firestore, and this will send the client details. I don't think we need send Zapier notification, right? Okay, we don't need Zapier right now, so I'm going to comment this out. That's not going to be used. I will install whatever it wants me to install. No, I don't think, yeah, so let me grab env.local. Cool, okay, so I have the env variables. So now what I'm gonna do is probably I will pretty much I was gonna say save. So pretty much once this is yeah, so this is saved, of course. But this needs to be, you know. So yeah, once this is linked, right? Yeah, so this saves the data on the database as well. I'm getting the records right here. Where is it? Problems? Right here. Okay, cool, awesome. And it will send the message. Okay, so it will send it in this format right here, new lead, and then it will say data.name. That's basically the client's name, phone, email. What else did we take? And the description. Okay, so this, oh yeah, message, description, boom. Submission date, reference ID, submission ID. So all that, right? So let's see, submission ID, where is this coming from? Okay. Okay, cool. So basically we got a new lead, right? Yeah. So I just need to modify the front end now, make sure it's working properly. Everything is up and running, right? I need to use a different config because I just exposed this config's details on stream, right? So I need to use a different one and different keys here as well. So anyways, yeah, so once that is done, seller property, so you can contact this and yeah, that should send the message. That should send a message through Twilio. And yeah, so for now, can I make Firestore send me a notification when in can you use Firebase Cloud Functions? Okay, so Firebase Cloud Functions. Okay. Firebase Cloud Functions. Cloud Messaging. Sends a message. Connect automatically. Create a connection. So I'm going to connect this with, what was it again? The problems. This one. Right? So that's, I am veloxel@gmail.com. So now I have connected this, of course. And click all. Continue. And boom. Okay. So now that this is connected, I can infect problems. Recipient, I'll say topic. So talk is subscribed to. Talk token, registration token. I don't know what this is. I need to make sure I get this, whatever this is. Let's say name? I don't know. I'll say name. I figure this out. Okay, so once the name has been taken, right? So this is the property details and all that. So pretty much, right? This will save in the database, the collection, I mean, and then this would send the new leads, new leads data, right? From this number to this number. Okay, so this is the post request. And okay, so this should send that data and enter email. You don't really need that if this is here, right? Yeah, cool. So this is working. So as far as call it, oh my god. So website submits forms SMS using Twilio. And this one, we will figure that out later. Yeah, it should be fine. So now it's about driving traffic to this website and making this look good. I need to work on this a lot. Yeah, I need to work on this a hell of a lot. But as far as right now goes, let's go to footer and subscribe to our newsletter. I already need the newsletter section. Cool. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you for your message. Wait, what the frick? What happened here? Where did the contact page go? What happened? Oh wait, it's here. Okay. Okay, my bad. thank you for your message. We'll get back to you soon. Type success. That's fine. So let's set this status to let's say set an interval for about 5 seconds, and then we'll be like set status back to nothing. Okay. So I would say, like, more specifically, I would say the message is nothing, and just to be more specific, type is nothing. Okay. Cool. So now this should pretty much work like that. And yeah, once we have that, we will send the data to his phone number using Twilio. And yeah, this is the format, the layout. And once you submit this, it will send the data. Once you send the data, it will make sure the gets the new client's data. Website needs to look good, but yeah, everything else, functionality is fine. It's fine. I just need to get the keys and then test with the keys, right? For this part right here. I test this out. And so this is going to be my number to Khalid's number. And I don't need the Zapier webhook for now. I'm going to say functionality is fine and comment this. I'm going to paste this on Khalid's chat later. So yeah, as far as right now goes. So yeah, so I just need to fix this website and invest. So invest in Dubai is actually not available right now. So I need to make sure this website is specifically good for his needs. And yeah, once I submit this, it should send the data to my Firebase Firestore and send the DM to him. That's it. And finally, we need to make sure everything is working properly. So I need to make sure the website looks nice. And we drive traffic to this website through Facebook ads and organic marketing. So that's not really a problem. What is a problem, though, is giving access. So I need to give the public domain access to this database and make sure everything is running properly. Okay. Yeah, so for now, it's okay. It's okay. Let me just close this for now. Okay. Yeah, everything's fine for now. At the end of the day, we're not even using Zapier. Make.com, that's crazy. Okay. Yeah. So now I will yeah, so I need to make sure the website is perfectly done. And I also need to make sure cool. Okay. Yeah, that's enough for now. I'm gonna send Khalid a message. It's like 5 in the morning right now. Let me send Khalid a message real quick. Okay, yeah. So just send him the message. And yeah, at this point, Khalid should be up and running in a bit. Yeah. I just need to make sure the website looks nice now. Properties, they need to be able to get properties, not buy properties right now, right? AI responds through your WhatsApp to your client immediately. Yeah, that's for later. So then driving traffic. drawing. Yeah, that's all. Cool. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, we're good to go. So we just need to make the website look nice, and the keys. We need to give the keys, and then change the Firebase config. Cool. Okay. Gotta get my my bad. Gotta get my ads account running properly. Make sure that everything is fine here, so that way I can pretty much get the thing up and running for him as soon as possible. Not from Store4, but from his ad account. Cool. Alright. So now, right now, we just need to run ads and yeah, LinkedIn outreach ads. 1 second. So we need to get LinkedIn outreach marketing. And 1 second, pin message. Oh yeah, pin it. And we have it. So marketing, that's FB ads and organic. Website submits a form, automated SMS, LinkedIn outreach for Khalid through his own LinkedIn account, and there's AI response for, so we can automate this with LinkedIn outreach and WhatsApp. Yes. Okay. Great. So I need to get this ready properly and pretty much make sure his ads are running the best, right? So yeah, let's do that when I have the media. For now, I just need to make sure the website must look good. Next step. Professional, actually. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Anyways, I hope you guys, if anyone's seeing this video, I hope you guys got something out of this. I don't really need Airtable at this point. I can just use Firebase. I hope anyone who watched this video gets something out of this. I hope so. If it did, I would appreciate a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. I don't mind. It's up to you, honestly. So yeah, that's pretty much. I must get that video set up. All right, so Twilio. I'm just gonna include this here. It's just this Twilio and Firebase. Access. Boom. Twilio and Firebase domain access. So yeah, once this is done, we should be able to have everything running. I just need to make sure I get the Twilio keys here. And yeah, it should be able to. And this should be able to save that. Yeah. Cool. Alright, so now I am going to sleep. Wait. Alright, with that out the way. Where is it? Sorry. Okay. Alright, so now that this is sent. Yeah. Everything should be fine. Yeah. All right. With that being said, we have deployed, saved everything. So this should be fine. Set, not set interval, set timeout, set timeout, set timeout. Set. I just gotta make sure the last thing is on. Set timeout. Cool. Amazing. Set timeout. Just gonna test it once more. And okay, what's the problem? It's the Twilio. It's the Twilio, it's the Twilio. Well, I think yeah, it's the Twilio, it's the Twilio. That's because I don't have the Twilio keys, that's okay. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, once I have the keys, I should be fine. Tokens. Alright. I mean, either way, I should save this. Yeah. I'm just gonna comment this out for now. So I'm gonna save. I'm going to comment this out for now. And that way, if I comment this out, I should be able to send it. Cool. Amazing. Disappear. 5 seconds, come on. It doesn't really matter. It's fine. I think we should be fine with this. Yeah. Awesome. Anyways, with that being said, I will get the tokens tomorrow and figure something out next, okay? And fix this website and pretty much get things running from there. What's up with the button? Should make sure everything's fine. Everything jelly. Smoking like deli. What? Okay, cool. Alright. Bye bye, guys. It's like almost 5 in the morning right now. AI response. Cool. Interesting. Alright, with that being said,